Welcome to our third exercise. In the last tutorials we learned what are functions, how we can write our own functions and how we can use them on the example of data typecasting. And today we have the walkthrough of the third exercise. So the first task is write a function with the name defint. This is just the name you give the function, and this function should divide two given numbers. That means two arguments, two numbers. These are divided and you get a result of this. But this result should be printed as int value. It means if you have a float value, it should anyway be an int value. And please make this sure. This is the first task. The second one is write a function hello, which prints hello world in two lines. It means in one line hello and in the other line world. This is the first part of this task. And the second one is you should write a function. The name is doubling, and this function should print 2 times hello world in each line, but it should use the function defined before. So you should use here the hello function and you should call it 2 times. When you have done this, then please modify the hello function that it doesn't print hello world, which is hardcoded in the beginning, but takes 2 arguments. And these should be printed in 2 lines, as it was already before, but now we want to have 2 arguments. Here, take some screenshot of the tasks, prepare it. Tomorrow I will do the solution with you together. Subscribe my channel to not miss the solution, and then see you tomorrow. Bye guys!